Greetings from Chinatown, Singapore. I'm now at the Chinatown Street Market, and I'm going to walk to the Chinatown MRT. But we have a look at the different shops here. In front are two cute parrots, man. Wow! Look at the durians. 来都来了，走到哪里都是买，不如在我这里买。Nice pink building. Indian curry cuisine for rent. Wow. There's massage services here. Restaurants. Thai restaurant. Chagi. Wow, nice bicycle. Money changer. Chinatown Heritage Center. Amacha. The High Center and the Samsung women is here, man. The souvenirs here once again. There's really lots of stuff you can buy here, you know. The belts, caps, bangles, souvenir chocolates. Actually, the gift shop. There's even a Chinese restaurant here. The $1 miniature ice cream. And there's some uncles and aunties singing the Hokkien songs in front. And also massage once again. This is Chinatown SCA. Oh, I think I want to look at this, man. All the Chinese restaurants and the Hokkien aunties. So Chinatown MRT, there's a Northeast line, the purple color one, and the downtown blue line. Station number 4 along the East Coast, Northeast line, and station number 19 along the downtown line. So if you enjoyed this video, give a like, share and subscribe so more people can find the video. Thanks very much, and Madane. And by the way, check out the unique Chinese characters on the ground. Only Chinatown MRT have.